What's the meaning of Arts Council? Arts Council. Arts Council.
Arts Council. Arts Council. The Arts Council is an organization that promotes and supports art and culture in various forms, including music, theater, dance, literature, and visual arts. It provides funding and resources to artists and arts organizations across the country, and works to increase access to the arts for people of all ages and backgrounds. The Arts Council plays an important role in fostering creativity and innovation in the arts community, and contributes to the cultural richness and diversity of society as a whole.